work early to get me out of bed. Alright, so don't mind me, I'm a hot mess. So yeah, you heard me. I've been in bed all day. I feel like I need to do a video on what's been going on with me, but I kind of don't really feel like talking about it.
It's 3:30.
It's 4:30. That's what you're saying is wrong with me? Yes, I know. Come on, give me a break. Anyway, so yeah, you're probably thinking, Michelle, what the heck is wrong with you? So you're probably thinking, Michelle, what is wrong with you? Why can't you get it together? Why are you in bed until 4:30 in the afternoon? What? You probably said I have fleas. Yeah. I know there are some new people to the channel, but most of you know, kind of know, or maybe you don't. If you want a whole video on what's been going on with me, let me know. I don't know if I'm ready for that yet, but I might be. Usually I'm ready for that kind of thing when I start to feel better, so I'm not quite there yet. Then I maybe be ready to talk about it. And I don't know. So in a nutshell, I have Hashitomotos, and I've never called it this, but I'm realizing it's a chronic illness. I thought I had it under control, but 6 years later, well, actually, I've had Hashimoto's for longer than that, but the worst part of it started when I had my thyroid removed in 2012. I had thyroid cancer. Anyway, the the medicine I was taking earlier this year stopped working. It's just that, long story short, the manufacturer changed the formulation and it wasn't working for me anymore. And my THS that is supposed to be 4 or under, and actually for me, since I don't have a thyroid, it's supposed to be 1 or under, and it was a 27. Yeah, not good. Get any worse than that, you might be hospitalized. Yeah, because you can go into what's called a
catatonic state.
A thyroid coma, something. I think that's what it's called. Your organs start to shut down. You need those thyroid hormones to function. It is not something you can opt out for. You need those. So I don't have a thyroid. It's not producing thyroid hormones. That's why a lot of people are on thyroid hormones, because their thyroid is not producing correctly. Well, I don't even have one, so that makes it even worse. Anyhow, so that's why. And that could bring on a huge amount of symptoms. Brain fog, which that seems to be gone mostly. Hubby will beg to differ with you. Minor things like, where's my keys? Okay, everybody does that. But I was having such severe brain fog. Here I am telling you. I was going to say I'm going to do another video on that. Well, let's just go with it. That I just wanted to sleep because my head was hurting so bad of the brain fog. I just wanted to sleep. And now I just want to sleep because I have lack of motivation. But be a little fair. Yesterday I wore myself out. I'm trying to catch up on the laundry. It has been backed up for months. Yeah, I got clean clothes to wear sometimes. No, just kidding. We have clean clothes to wear. It's just...
You got pretty close. You knocked out a bunch of it.
Yeah, I knocked out a bunch yesterday, but it wore me out. I'm tired. Plus I was organizing some things, too. So I was in the bedroom all day doing stuff. Well, not all day. Like, I don't know, at least 6 hours probably, you think? Take and break in between, maybe 8. Anyway, that was too much. I overdid it for sure. So that's what's going on with me. Hubby came home early to take me for a walk. He texts me at work, did you get up? Sometimes I lie. Yes, I did. So we're going to this park that I wanted to go to, been wanting to go for a while. And we opted to drive the car rather than take the golf cart, even though it's accessible with the golf cart. It's quicker, yeah. And it's gonna get dark soon, so we'll take you on a little walk. I have my coffee, my second cup, and I need to go to the store to get something for dinner later, and frosted coffee, maybe. Right. So all that and extreme fatigue. Extreme, yes. You're just tired. I don't know. And right now I'm tired and I have no energy and definitely have a lack of motivation.
Drag your ass through the park.
Okay. Nasty smell. What is that, deer? Ugh. So this is a cute little park we found on one of our golf cart rides. It's like a horse park. There's a trough over there for your horses. There's a stable over there for you to put your horses in while you, I don't know, eat your lunch or something. And then,
Fertilizer.
huh? It's fertilizer?
Something like that.
It don't really smell like that. And then there's this trail that we want to go walk on. So we're gonna do that. There's not really a trail map.
There's a sign.
Not really a trail map. Hey, look, more touches of fall. Can you see that tree? Not a tree. Like a bush. Okay. I had my sweater on. And we're 5 minutes in, I already got it off. It's so cold in our house, it's hard to tell what the warmth of it is outside. Because hubby leaves the slider door open all night. And then it's freezing in here, somebody's riding their bike in here. Alright, see babe, we can put our bikes in the back of the truck. Also, can't do this now, but when I get the energy, we can actually ride our bikes here and then ride here. I don't know, how far do you think this is from the house? That's kind of a long ride. 5 miles just to get here, and then 5 miles back. Yeah, that ain't happening. The most I've rode my bike is like 4. In the last couple years, I've done more than that, and, you know, but I ain't a spring chicken anymore. What is all that? That's just trails, not of this one, but of...
They got yellow trail, green trail, and a blue trail.
That's not of this trail, that's like the trail of
No, it says
all of...
You are here.
Oh, you can go all that?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Be on
that
here for
ain't-
days.
It's not all paved.
No, I don't know. I assume not. I assume all the squared off ones are.
Yeah, that's got like a red marker, so that's a red trail. No, you didn't. I should have been out this morning getting some sunshine. Why I do these things, I do not know. Because my brain ain't working correctly, that's why. But that's a red trail too, so that don't make sense. That's a red trail marker. All the same trail, all these trails red. Shouldn't it be a different color? That's a trail over there. That don't make sense. You hear all them birds? That means spring. So I guess the prediction was right. We're gonna have early spring. Look at the top of that palm tree. They're so top to the palm tree over here. That's weird. Walk all the way the hell down there. Sorry, ain't happening. We're gonna turn around at some point. We just realized we walked part of this trail before, or actually we rode our bikes a long time ago. They must have connected this. This is called Boundary Trail. It's like further up, further part of town. So we decided we're gonna, it's not very nice. You're going along the canal and look, there's a tire there and houses and stuff. So we're gonna go back this way and go the other part of the trail that we didn't walk, that was behind us when we started. No, you can't hear it now. There's a burnt tree there. Probably not recently. That was probably ages ago. Alright, so Hubby's kicking my butt. That's not what he said. You know, that A word. You ever seen that video where the little girl says the monster was going to come out of the TV and kick her ASS? Well, he's going to kick my ASS, so I'm going to kick his ASS. Maybe I'll insert a clip.
Said I'm going to kick his ass.
Oh. That's not nice.
Is he going to come in here? He's going to kick my ass.
Right now you can hear the train. Of course, now you can't. Now that I said that, you can't hear it, but that tree looks weird. That's a pine tree? Why? How does a pine tree grow like that? Oh, I can't tell.
Looks like pine
though. Look, this pine tree doesn't grow like that. You can't tell because it's so burnt. Okay, so the town that we're in right now is not as country as where we live. You can hear the trains, you can hear traffic. Yeah, there's more people, more houses. It's not suburbia. Suburbia is further north, where I showed you. Oh, there's the train, where we showed you the other day. If you didn't see that video where we went for a walk at the sanctuary, and we went to look at our old house that we sold in 2014. We actually moved out of it in 2012. My son was living it and renting it to my my niece and her friend for 2 years, and then we sold it in 2014. Yep. Because my son moved to California. My niece and her friend moved out. Yeah. It was just too much to take care of. We had thought about renting it out to regular renters. This is too much work. We just decided to sell it, which kind of regretting, kind of not, because I was in no condition to keep up with it. Because right after that, or not right after that, you know, it was recovering from whatever. That so I was saying I kind of regret it, but there was no way I could able to keep up with it. I mean, you saw the yard is like a lot to keep up with. So, and you know, the renters wouldn't do that. So kind of regret it because, of course, it's 4 years later. The house is worth $50,000 more than we sold it for. Yeah, that's a little bit disappointing. What are you gonna do? Right? The sun is setting. And I was thinking the trail went that way, but it doesn't. It's all right, we're done. I'm done anyway. I'm done. That's enough. Okay, that was almost 2 miles, 1.7 miles. Yeah, and hubby is kicking my butt. Good for me though. Okay, the monster's gonna kick my butt video, and between that video and that, listen Linda. Oh my God, them two videos crack me up. Y'all ever seen those? I know you have.